This is the microbit version, and this is the Arduino version. You can now easily see the difference between the two. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something really exciting for all the young makers, coders, and educators out there. The ELECFREAKS Jacdac Smart Exploration Kit for Microbit. This kit takes the microbit experience to the next level with plug-and-play modules, no messy wiring, and powerful learning possibilities for robotics, sensors, and IoT. Before we start, let's take a moment to learn about the BBC Microbit. It's a tiny and beginner-friendly microcontroller designed for learning electronics and coding. It comes with built-in sensors like accelerometer, compass, and temperature sensor, as well as a tiny speaker, a microphone, a 5x5 LED matrix display, 2 buttons, and even Bluetooth for wireless projects, all packed into a single board. Compared to other microcontrollers like Arduino or ESP boards, the microbit focuses on simplicity and education. While the Arduino gives you full hardware control and is great for DIY projects, it usually needs external sensors and wiring. On the other hand, the ESP is more powerful, with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, ideal for IoT and advanced automation. But the microbit makes learning interactive and quick. No need for complex wiring. Just connect, code, and see instant results. When combined with the Jacdac system, it becomes even smarter, allowing sensors, actuators, and modules to automatically detect and communicate with each other over a single 3-wire cable for power, ground, and data. Alright, let's see what's inside the box. First, we have the microbit board, which is the heart of the system. You can purchase it separately or together with the Jacdac kit from ELECFREAKS. Next, we have the Jacdac expansion board for microbit, which connects easily to the microbit. Then, there are several Jacdac modules, including 2 buttons, a rotary encoder, a motion sensor, a light sensor, a magnet sensor, and an RGB LED ring. Lastly, we have a USB cable, some Jacdac connectors, and a user guide that walks you through multiple projects. Everything's clearly labeled and beginner-friendly, perfect for classrooms or anyone starting with physical computing. What makes this kit special is Jacdac, a plug-and-play hardware standard developed by Microsoft. You can connect the modules easily using Jacdac cables. No need to worry about front or back orientation. Each module automatically identifies itself to the microbit, so you can see and code it instantly in MakeCode or Python. Now let's see how you can use the microbit and Jacdac board together. Connect both boards like this, but make sure to check the top and bottom orientation before connecting. Then, add the Jacdac extension for microbit in Microsoft MakeCode by following these steps, or simply check the user guide. Once successfully added, if you have modules connected, MakeCode can display live simulation feedback of the connected devices, which is really cool. You won't find something like this on Arduino or ESP boards. Now that the microbit and Jacdac boards are ready, let's try a sample project using the Jacdac sensor modules. Here, I'm using MakeCode's visual programming and a project from the product's user manual. Visual coding isn't like traditional Arduino or ESP programming, and I'm not very used to it, so I'll just copy the example code from the manual. If you'd like to learn more about the microbit and visual programming, you can find plenty of dedicated tutorials and books. For this demo, I'm building the Intelligent Nightlight project using the microbit, Jacdac bit, motion sensor, and light sensor. But here's a twist. I'll make the exact same project using Arduino with compatible light and motion sensors to show the differences between visual coding and Arduino coding. The idea is simple. When the motion sensor detects movement and the light intensity is low, the LED turns on. In other words, when someone passes through a dark area, the light automatically turns on, but it stays off in bright environments. So this is the microbit version, and this is the Arduino version. You can now easily see the difference between the two. You can explore many other projects using the microbit and the ELECFREAKS Jacdac Smart Exploration Kit. The possibilities are endless, And what's great is that you can start small and keep expanding just by adding new Jacdac modules. Overall, the ELECFREAKS microbit Jacdac Smart Exploration Kit really simplifies electronics and coding. No breadboards, no wiring, just click, code, and create. If you're a teacher, student, or curious maker wanting to explore smart hardware, this kit is definitely worth checking out. For educators and students, it's a powerful learning tool that teaches real-world STEAM principles in a visual, safe, and beginner-friendly way. I'll leave the product link down below if you want to try this ELECFREAKS kit. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Maker and STEAM videos. See you in the next one.